Welcome.
That's good. That thing looks ridiculous.
It's true. Hey, it's true.
Ahoy!
Hello!
Good morning.
Oh, hey there.
And a very happy Australia Day to all the Aussies out there.
G'day, mate.
It is Australia Day
Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
and we are back fishing at the local Palmy. Weather is good, no wind, no swell, and only a handful of boats so far. Usually Palmy's a car park on Australia Day, which I think a lot of people don't bother heading out, but it's about 5 or 6 kayaks and probably about the same as boats, so let's hope it stays like that and the fish are on. Big turtle to my right. Trolling dead baits around. The task today, get fresh fish for the weekend. Got the old girl's birthday, so it would be nice to find a couple of fresh fish to put on for everyone coming around at our place. Bait's already in the water, 2 spotted chub left and right. Let's see whether we can find a nice mackerel or 2 to start this long weekend. A long weekend for me anyway. That's the plan. Go and do a couple of paddles around the reef for a couple of hours, and yeah, hopefully we can find a fish. Looks like some fish in the sand right now. All right, you know what time it is.
I feel like chicken tonight.
Let's go. Woohoo!
Like chicken tonight.
All right, first lap of the boy done. No touches. Oh, holy f***. That was a big shark that just jumped into the barrel roll. Holy shit. That was hectic.
Sounds pretty hectic.
Well, we'll get away from him. That was crazy. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen out here. All right, well, we'll stay away from that. Hopefully it doesn't take a bait, and we'll try and find a mackerel. Hectic.
Jesus Christ.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get that line in. Oh, good run. Alright. There's almost in. Mine's still out. Get in. Oh.
What a joker.
I was lucky. Alright. Good run. Woo. Woo. I was almost. Just gonna get out past the boy again and check my bait to make sure they're swimming alright. Turns out they're going alright. Get that on. Bit of a pain. Not having a battery pack on that rod. I mean, on that rod. On that camera. Alright, let's just fight this freaking fish. Alright. I'm trying to play too long at the boat, not with
Where'd you go, Big Orange?
Orange is gone.
shark is as big as the one I saw jump hanging around today. But we'll still try and take our time as much as possible. It looks like a mackerel, but let's try not to drop the gaff this time, eh? Come on, buddy. Oh. Look at head shake. Could this be a Spanish? I don't know. Oh, I think it might be a Spanish, boys. I think we might be on the Spanish here. I think I just saw some bars down there. I think we've found a Spanichi. Come on, let's get up. Alright, we've got a leader. Don't leave the boat though. Oh, it's a nice on Spanish. Oh, no, not going that way. Oh, yeah. That wasn't a good shot. Come on. Hate gapping on this side. Much prefer the other side. Should be getting tired now. You mustn't like the look of me. It's the only thing I can think of. Tense moments. Come over here. Come here. Oh my god. I was nowhere f***ing near him then. What a shocker. Here we go. That'll do, right in the prime meat. Oh yes. That's what we are talking about. Not the biggest Spanish, but a Spanish nonetheless. Spanish in the hatch, boys. Yeehaw. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Lunch is sorted for Sunday. Yeah, buddy. That's what we are talking about. Spanish is on the menu. Woo-hoo! Very happy. Very, very happy. Despite trying my best to lose it at the boat, we managed to get it in. Alright, I will deal with this fish and then we will be back. Yeah, boy. Alright, not even 5:30 and we managed to find lunch for Sunday. Very, very happy. Not the biggest Spanish in the world. Some would say good eating size. I'll be that person.
Oh wow, me too!
But she's legal, so that's all that matters. Yeah, the boys. Yee-hoo-hoo! Oh, look at that. Chompers. Good fish. Alright, let's get the baits back out there. Find another one. Yeah, boy. Woohoo!
Oh my god! Wow!
Also, if you haven't already, go and check out Bladecore. They've got blades for everything. Fishing, committing crimes, whatever you want to do with it. Maybe don't go commit crimes.
Whatever the fuck you want!
Also, legend has it, Leonardo from the Ninja Turtles, his sword, you got it. Bladecore blades, baby. The best in the biz.
It's a scientific fact.
Go and check him out. The link is in my bio. Cheers, the boys. Yee-hoo-hoo! All right, fresh chub on that rig. Also had to retie my, well, I had to snip off my leader because while the fish was in the hatch, it managed to chew into my my mono. So redid that as well. Fresh chub on, baits tested, both swimming like weapons. Let's go find another one. The monkey is off the back, can relax now. So can actually enjoy the morning without the pressure of having to try and find some fish for the weekend. That's been done. Anything else here is cream on top and can hook some people up with some fish should they want it, which is always the case. All right, let's keep on paddling where we are hooked up. See if we can find another one. Yoo! Any touches? Oh, here he is. You just had one. Paddle, 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 paddle. Oh, how good's that? Grab it, grab it. That's amazing.
What the fuck is this guy doing?
Oh, double, double. You get a double. Oh. That is madness. It's amazing. Ask him whether he had a hit. No hit. I see his rod buckle. Found the paddle, hooks up, think it's a double. I think he might have lost the second one. I think he might just be getting the first one in. How good is that? Ah, nothing. How about you?
Well, it's got another hit about 100 metres out.
Oh, yo! Got him!
Got him!
Touched 100 metres that way just now.
Yeah, right.
You were coming, that's why.
Oh, I know. I'm heading in, so it's probably time for you to head in as well then. See you, boys. Well done on the spotty. See you, lads. Well, the decision has been made to take my Spanish and go home. Very quiet out there. Only heard of one other fish being caught. I saw another boat hook up, but I'm not complaining. I got my Spanish. Food acquired for Sunday's barbecue. So, Mum, if you're watching, happy birthday for Sunday.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday to you.
This will come out a couple of weeks after that, but I hope you enjoyed the Spanichi. I'm sure I just cooked it to perfection. All right, rods are still out. Just getting back to the launch site. I'll chuck them in the hatch and then try and catch a wave in. A big bust up to my right as I'm talking. But yeah, can't complain. Very, very happy. Happy Australia Day once again. Hope everyone had a good day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Yay! Spanichi! See ya.